Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
She can't say she want to go bring this guy come from Benin. He try the first connection with the try and fail. He try him again for the second one. The other connection, he fail, it not work. He and this guy did. He said, but as in the top, he can't notice some kind of, but in money where they work for Europe here. He said the work receive 1,300. Inside that 1,300, he go pay house strength. If he pay house strength finish for inside, now so send now they send the guy money. Now they give the guy money. The guy go say, you know, money, if he send her money after 3-4 days, he don't complain again, say money don't finish. The guy can't the same money. Me, I didn't even know that in this generation, some people are still doing all those things. So that is why I feel like talking about it. In the same money, go they give the guy. What happened? He say the guy, they always use a won't pay the swear for him. If he made mistake or if he ask him too much question for phone, go they tell him, say, go they kill you. Now I say, Asia, in this generation, people, they always say they use Ogun, they kill you, they reply women for relationship, or they reply person, Ogun, they kill you. They say they hear those kind of things. He said, I want to she come the year. Then go quarrel, then go settle. Then go quarrel, then go settle. Before you know it, the last connection we try for her through France, it not can work. The guy did Nigeria. The money where they send for her, he don't know say this guy don't engage himself with another woman for that side. He said he get one day, the guy don't even know the way the phone they dial her own number. When the phone dial her number, the guy come they talk to her own best friend. That is his own best friend for Nigeria. He come they say, wow, you don't see the girl this lady when they runs, they were talking about a woman, and the phone die. He said it be like saying that God say make the phone just die. Make they listen to the conversation of this guy and this friend. That is one open eye, one thing that God used to set her free from the bondage of spending and spending and spending. Because sometimes when you be spending your money and putting your effort and doing things that even yourself, you'll be questioning yourself to say, what exactly is it am I doing? Am I doing the right thing? I hope I'm not doing the wrong. You know, when you start fighting with yourself over a particular cause to say, this thing that I'm doing is wrong, you're fighting with yourself already. God normally use something to remove you and help you and bring you out. Now this guy takes dial the girl number. The girl come to listen to everything. She was listening. As she did listen, that's what she do. Like they say, the guy they talk about the girl will get big nyash with the friend. She did Europe, the guy did Nigeria. He phone dial from Nigeria, and she was listening to the whole conversation. The guy was talking about the big nyash in the carry and all these things and stuff and whatever. I see hear that conversation finish, he had come turn. Now he don't see phone quickly record that because the other phone won't do with him. He don't see phone quickly record the conversation of this girl and that friend of that guy and that friend say, so me dey Europe, I dey spend money for you. You dey talk about your girlfriend with the Nigeria, we get big nyash and whatever and stuff. Now so we go do. Before you know it, you know coffee record and night, you can't call the guy, can't tell and say, see waiting I hear. So now this one you do we be say at times I will call you a whole night, you not go pick my call. The whole of the night, your phone will be very not reachable, out of service. I know if he talk to you. What were you doing? The guy was busy doing another girl in Nigeria. Before another scenario again happened, that this girl, this lady also, he say he no can know whether na the girlfriend of this guy, na he can carry phone for Nigeria that time, can dial her own number for Europe. They can call her. As they call her, She come dey talk. She was listening to them. They were making love on phone. You know, they were screaming, and she can record everything. The guy, they scream for inside the phone. The girl, they scream. Two of them were just screaming and saying, you know, those love making whatever. She recorded all the conversation. And the phone didn't call her. Maybe the guy did not know. The guy who is in Nigeria did not know that the girlfriend that she's dating, because some girls do those kind of things. They do it. Some girls are very destructive in nature. Maybe now the girl with that guy, the friend, now he carry phone come out. He died the girlfriend with the Europe, so that the girl will hear everything. As they want to make love, he die and finish, she leave her for ground. She come to hear everything with them discuss. The way they make that love that night, the way they enjoy themselves, all the conversation. She was throwing up in Europe and crying and saying, Jesus. So the man that I am spending my money on in Nigeria, I'm even wishing, I want to bring him to Europe. The whole plan don't already dig ground. The girl don't try connection with the guy 2 times. Me take her and come Europe, he never work. You see? He don't spend money, he never work. So that they will come and marry. Now, the girlfriend, he and the girlfriend with in Nigeria, they just they enjoy themselves, they enjoy. Then call her, he come they listen to the whole conversation. You see her brain go vavao. So she just finished talking with me this evening. So my mind told me that there are people who are still living in this situation. I thought this one was old school stuff. I thought we are more than all this level, long time. I thought people have advanced more than things like this. Because those days when we entered this Europe, many ladies were making this kind of mistakes. People were doing this kind of thing. Even me, at a point in time that is talking now, I also did it. Many people did it to be like, oh, I want to have a boyfriend in Nigeria. I want to have a relationship that is very far away that I'm not seeing. Those things sometimes is time wasting. Big time wasting machine. Na him be. Man wey you never born for as a woman. Man wey never marry you. It's not your wife. You never born for her. Una not get any so tight relationship. So tight relationship na relationship with marriage hold. Relationship with children hold together. Because those things are almost permanent. Especially the children wey dey inside. They are permanent. Relationship with children hold. Relationship with marriage hold. Relationship with be say una don there's something tangible, you know. Not that kind of a thing. No. Just I am traveling to Europe. Wait for me in Nigeria. You don't already dey Europe. The guy, there's no marriage. You're not born for her. You will be spending your money and wasting your time. That is a total time wasting something. I believe saying that men they do all those things. If men, even these days, men don't do those things anymore. Men don't want to have a woman that they will not be seeing and they will be spending their money on that woman. They used to do it a lot those days. These days, they don't do it anymore. Even many men these days, as we are talking now, they normally come out of marriage. The reason why most marriages die in Nigeria, when the man is living, let me say Africa, when the man is living abroad, these are the reasons. The reasons of no trust, the reasons of infidelity, the reasons of I can't be spending my money on who I'm not seeing, except when children are involved. Then I need to be taking care of my children. He needs to be spending on his children, not the woman anymore. Not to talk of a man will be living abroad just for the name of saying the lady is my girlfriend. The lady is my girlfriend. They never born for me. I've not paid her bride price. I've not married her. I've not put her in my home or in my family house. How many men do those things these days? Very few men do it. I know that there are people who still do it because you can never say never in life. You know? But at a time, it's out of fashion. It's completely out of fashion. I don't believe, and the thing shocked me to know that at this point in time, there are women somewhere who still spend money on the guy that they are not even seeing. They are wishing that man to come and be their husband. You want that man to come and be the man that will be the father of your children. You want to carry and come from Nigeria, come Europe. Don't allow to be brainwashed, or you people will suffer. I know that what I'm saying on social media now will make a lot of people angry. I'm fine. Why say, Uche, how you doing? It will make a lot of people angry. People don't want to hear the truth. But the truth is that, the truth of the matter is that, if you are living abroad, you are a woman, you get man for Nigeria, it not be your husband, you never pay your brother, you they waste your money on that man. You never born for her, not be your husband, just boyfriend. It's foolishness these days. Big foolishness. Let me say 10 out of 100 relationship like that. Now they work. 10 out of 100. 10 out of 100. 90% will not work. 90% will see the light, will not see the light of the day. 90% chances are to say you are going to be sponsoring a man we marry for Africa, we go get children for Africa, we children go they go school, you will be sponsoring them. Then another thing where it can shock me that I don't even know that even newcomers and young girls are still doing these days. He say mama called me from Nigeria. The mother of the guy called me. The father of the guy called me. They were begging me. They have been calling and begging. Begging for what? Why are they begging? Why are they begging? When you have a conversation, recorded conversation of their son sleeping and making love with another woman, enjoying, they talk how nyash they big, how toto taste sweet, how body taste sweet, how breast taste you, all those things. And the father is busy begging you and saying, Naju, we want to marry. That one is a big strategy. Now, know what is a big strategy? That is a big strategy that the father of that boy and the mother of that boy, they lay down for you. It's like an ambush so that you will begin to spend for their son. Think about this. Imagine that it's you that let the ball turn around the ball and see if they will take it, the father and that mother. Let's say their son is in Europe and you are in Nigeria and he hear that you are cheating on that guy and he hear that there is even a recorded conversation when man they hammer you for house. That mama and that papa will they beg, say me you forgive his son. Will those people come and beg to say their son should forgive you and continue moving with you? Most distance relationships were destroyed by parents, egoistic parents, parents choking their nose, parents choking their mouth, getting themselves involved into where they are not called. Family members getting themselves involved into where they are not called, into where they are not needed. Now, we most relationship with the Africa versus this Europe will not work. Immediately their son carry bag, he enter Europe. You see families from Nigeria, they will start jumping out and start saying things where they never see concerning the woman. Now so the woman they shit. Now so the woman they look ma. Now so the woman they go places. Now so the woman they, it's dangerous. It's not for you anymore. If you enter Europe as a single lady, focus on the guys who are in Europe. Focus on the men who are in Europe like you. Don't be afraid of this men you are seeing in Europe and you want to go and be spending your money for a guy who is living in Africa. The one you are seeing in Europe, there's every possibility sometimes, if you even spend your money for her, you go born put you, they carry Peking, they go. You'll be living your life. But the one where they Africa go, they born with another woman for that side. Why you go the finance her? You never even born. The wife go born and born two. Born three. Distance relationship. The man that you are not seeing, the woman you are not seeing, many things are involved. I don't see it as I know some people like it for some reasons. Distance relationship, especially men. Men, they like them. Men, they like and say, I will just be talking with the. I don't know. I don't see anything good inside distance relationship. Somebody like me, a person who really want to have a relationship, except you and the person were together before, something happened and the person left. When the person left, sometimes you also need to get yourself ready. This time that you need to get yourself ready so that you can go and meet your partner that left. Within this period, I can understand to say you people were together in a particular place before. You are a family. Something happened. One of the family member left. So it's either the man leave or the woman left. But this time, you need to go and meet the other one. So you people are separated. There is distance that we understand it. Not be say when you are already living somewhere, like I'm living here now, I will say I want a man. Then the man I will be thinking about getting is a man who is living 40,000 kilometers away from me. What kind of life is that? What happened to the ones who are living around you? What happens to the men that you are seeing? The man that you can... Do you know that sometimes relationship that you are seeing the person, see me, I see you, is very difficult. Lies everywhere. Deceit everywhere. Misunderstanding everywhere. You cannot understand yourselves. It's a learner, exactly. You cannot understand yourself. Not to talk of, you will just get up to say, I want to date a man. Sister, sometimes those things are for children. Thank God this person will do this one, so he's still a young girl, 27. That's why we are giving this advice in a very lighter form. In a lighter form, because it's a small girl. She's just starting. Most of us we did all those things those days. Most of you that are here, you did all those things those days. Trying to bring a man to Europe, trying to help a man, trying to be sending money to a man in Africa or wherever you will be. All those things are total waste of time. Waste of energy, waste of time, waste of precious money that you are supposed to use to do your own life. Be wasting it on somebody who will even come here tomorrow. And come on, do you know that a person that you are ahead of, when you are ahead of a person to say, na me fe enter Europe, most men are regretting and suffering this thing, especially in the UK. According to the news I'm hearing on my phone, this is how I am talking. According to the numbers of complaints I hear every day on my phone, especially in the UK, that the complainers are saying, so then go Nigeria, go collect woman, put for day. Before you know, they carry the woman, they carry her enter UK. Newcomer where they come Europe, not be your matter ideal. Whether a man or a woman, anybody you are just bringing to come and meet you where you are. For Europe, especially when it comes to Europe, not be your matter ideal. Your matter not concern her. Yes, you carry the person to come as your wife. Yes, you brought the person as your wife or as your husband. But the truth of the matter is that you are chasing after the wind. That person not there your matter. Your matter not even hold on. Because waiting hold on, the time the people will be coming, they will be coming with a mindset. That is why most people suffer. They will be coming with a calculated mindset. And the mindset is that I am traveling abroad. I also want to make it. Most of the time, the people who are going to use their money, they carry come from 10,000 kilometers, and they'll be the competition, the first competitor you have in your life. Those are the first competitors. Those are the first people who start to compete with you in whatever way. Not even your friends. The first competitors are the people you go and use your money to sponsor to bring to you. It can be a wife, it can be a husband, it can be a boyfriend, it can be your girlfriend. By the time they enter your life, they see what you have. They see the level you have gone. And you are depriving them from getting to that same level where you are. That is where enmity will start. You go no, say don't be as a copper band, they call mama. They will not give you peace. You will not have peace of mind. They will not allow your mind to rest. They will trouble you. They will give you heart attack. They will make your heart to cry. They go tie rope for your heart. They go draw and pass ground ignorantly, not knowingly. That's the difference. Sometimes you think it's knowingly. It's not knowingly. Ignorantly. Most newcomers who come to this Europe and meet you and they deal with you, they will not be dealing with you knowingly. They'll be dealing with you ignorantly. Because their mind tell them, say, the level where you dey, they can get there very fast. They don't know that it's very difficult and it takes time. It takes a lot of effort. It takes a lot of energy. It takes a lot of working hard before they can get there. You go to see and say, my husband have a house in Africa. My husband is taking care of his family. And my family are lacking. My husband is not allowing me to do these certain things I want to do for my family. My husband, they take all the money, they enter in account. What about me? This is where you will suffer. You will start to suffer because they will start asking questions around, making sure, asking people questions to say, they will, even most of the questions you're supposed to sit down with the person where you carry on Europe, me and they discuss. You don't want to discuss all those things with you anymore because you are the first enemy they will be seeing. This is why it's very bad. If it's possible for you to date where you are, date where you are. Follow person for where you date. Because immediately you carry that man come or that woman come, now you be first enemy. Bam. Yes. There are things they cannot discuss with you. Things that concerns your life and their life, they prefer to go and discuss it and ask questions outside instead of asking you. Because they see you as you will lie to them. You will not tell them the truth. So what is it? You started becoming the enemy already. They don't see you as their first enemy. That is why it's very dangerous to just live where you did. To go say you want to go to use trailer take to person. You want to go use your money take to person. Come. The question where they're supposed to follow you discuss, say, see my sister, or my brother, or my husband, how they do all these things for Europe? They will not discuss it with you. They want to go and discuss it with somebody who is outside because they don't trust you anymore. They believe that if they discuss it with you, you will lie to them. They believe that if they tell you talk that thing, you will tell them lie. They believe that a person will they outside and they go for hear the truth pass what they're supposed to hear. They believe that after they don't even hear that truth from those people outside, they will hide it. They will not even tell you what they discuss outside with you. This is one thing, one danger, very big danger. And you will be trying all your best to please a person that is just coming. But you can never please. The only thing that will please these people is experience, time, exposure. After going out to see, listen to people, hear from people, cure their curiosity. The curiosity, whether they pass through, they will don't cure them. And before they cure that curiosity, before they are able to cure that curiosity with inside their mind, that the way they will be curious and say, oh, I want to know this, I want to know that. Before they cure and finish, you will suffer. You know what it be suffer? You will suffer well. They will torture your heart. You will cry. You will cry blood. It doesn't matter whether you are a man or a woman. It doesn't matter whether now you go bring the person come. You will suffer. So instead of you to be wasting that time, please, Rita, my sister, send me your number. I need to talk with you. Please, please, please send me. Let me put it here. I want to discuss something like this live. This is what I'm discussing now. 1 minute. Let me put my number here so you can take it from here. Phone my 1521 36 40 382 382. That's my number. Distance relationship. You know me say whether na your boyfriend, whether na your brother, whether na your sister, whether na your... Let me tell you one thing. If you want to have peace with anybody you are just bringing into Europe, immediately that person come free and may they go. You'll be very peaceful. Just open door for her, give her freedom. Let her work out the way we like. If you not give her freedom, whether na your husband now you go bring, whether na your wife now you go bring, you will suffer. You will know what thing be suffer because they will trouble you. No, let you rest. He will believe a lot of lies concerning you. He go even, if na your family member, he go even they gossip you give your mama and your papa for Africa. They gossip you give people. This is how it is. So before you bring a person to say, I want to leave the environment where I did, I want to go and carry a person from a far distance into my life to come and be living with me or to come and marry me. Know all these things, because when you know all these things, you will not be too disappointed. You will not be too frustrated. You will not be too disappointed. But by the time when you don't know all those things, you are expecting heaven on earth. You are expecting complete loyalty. You are expecting a woman that you will bring from Africa to come and be loyal to you, or a man that you want to go and use trailer to tow from that side, carry come, make on they loyal to you. You are wasting your time. You just say if you want to go carry the man, come, may you can settle down. Or you want to go carry the woman, come, may you settle down. You will never settle down. You are going to settle up. You are going to settle up. Because a person that you are going to bring have another plan. You have a life. The family, they are expecting very big from that person. Especially when that person never even born for you before. It's not your wife. How are you, Patrick? It's not your wife. He never born for you. You never did together for some donkey years. I encourage people. If you say, I want to go carry woman, come, make sure it's your wife. The woman that you people are together for donkey years. The woman where you don't even spoil career safe. Yeah? But I see some people, instead of them doing these things, they'll go, they carry the one way, be say, they'll go, they carry the one way, be say, he never even do, you know, it's somehow, it's very frustrating. You will suffer. Don't do it. They will not give you the joy that you want. So you see all these men where you see for Europe, where you they overlook. All these women where you see for Europe, where you they overlook to say, no, this one, I just better go Africa. May I go carry my con. I just better go Africa. May I go carry a woman con. Now you said, now you go cry am. Now you go suffer and when the time come. No other person. It's only you that will cry that cry. It's only you that thing will suffer. Because you see the world, the way the world is changing, the way people are now behaving these days. If 100 people do that thing, maybe it will favor 5. So you cannot be using your life to play gamble every time. I don't like gamble. People who have suffered too much in their life, they don't like to use their life to play gamble again. And when people see that you have made it in life, you have everything in life, they want to shook themselves into your life so that they can use your life to play gamble. So that they can use your life to play gamble. Do you know that? God don't bless you with documents, passport, car, house, everything. When man they get for life or when woman they get, you will see a person who does not even have anything to offer. Not even one cup of rice to give you. A person who does not even have not even one needle. One needle to add to what you have. But this person want to come and be always taking from your own. You want to come and you want to choke their life into your own in the name of love. Is it bad to help family? No, it's not bad to help family, but these days you have to be careful in helping family. Because sometimes you help too much and you become ordinary ground and you go there. And the people that you help will not even say you help them. If you even say it to say you help them, you will have problem. Do you know that there are some family members you cannot move boldly? The people that you have suffered for all your years. If you come out to say it now, to say, I help you so time, it go vex them. It go vex them way. You know what here? What are you saying? Are you saying you help me? It go begin to tell you how it help yourself. Because you don't suffer to make who it be. Fear no will let you talk and say, I help you. If you talk and you are in problem, some family members are like that. If you help them, don't even talk about it to say, I help you. Don't say it. If you need a man, take for Europe. All these men wey dey here, no they abandon them, they say because they don't get people. They never, the one where you get for Europe, when you want to carry come for Europe, you never even get people. The road where these ones don't dey now, that one never even know. These ones where they here, they are miles away from that one that is in Africa. When that one where the Africa go come start from where this one start from those days. Now there go come start from. The same road where these ones they pass, they go where they look, say they not rich men now. Now that same road, now they won't come look. Now they won't come pass. Sometimes, distance relationship is not for everyone. Some people think distance relationship is for everyone. It's not for everyone. That is why most people cry. When they do it, they cry. It's not for everyone. Distance relationship is not for everybody. The people with distance relationship they favor, it's very few. That's the truth of the matter. It's very few. Some people will not tell you the truth. Because when they quickly enter, they play love, they kiss for phone, they do all those things, they talk all those are not the enjoyment. But what about all those suspension? Wouldn't they pass through? Would they talk about it? High blood pressure. Thinking, he's not here. What is he doing? What is she doing? Even what you are not doing, the person is believing that you are doing it. It doesn't matter whether you are their wife or you are their husband. Now, men won't come worse pass. When men are living far away and they have a wife living far away, that's why you see they tend to become too controlling and arrogant towards that woman. And the woman will be wanting to say, why is this man? Obota Meisibo, how are you? The woman will come to behave, one that say, why is this man like this? Why is he always tough on me? Why is he asking too much questions? Why is it? Yes, because he's not seeing you. They are very controlling. Men that are, women that are into relationship with, into long distance relationship with men who are very far away. The men tends to be very, very controlling in the relationship. Sometimes, if you don't even, they lay rules and regulations down for you that they cannot even put down for you under normal circumstances where both of you are living together and seeing yourselves. So long distance relationship where people they go to be expectation kills. You cannot go out without telling. If you go out and the man gets to know about it without telling the man, he's not with you, he's living away. The relationship at the verge of scattering and not working anymore. To say, you didn't tell me where you went. I didn't know where you went. Long distance relationship is full of headache. If it's not your husband, it's not your wife, I think looking into a person that is close to you to do a relationship with those people is better than hiding your suspension, just killing yourself for no reason. Because you are expecting something very big from somewhere. Una know how many women don't carry men come from Nigeria? Out of 100 women, we don't carry men come from Nigeria. Now only 10 they marry for inside. The other ones, they go carry people husband come. Immediately you carry and come, go follow another person. Sometimes the woman will even love pass you, will leave her for Nigeria. Come this Europe. Now that one go fine, not be even you. And I've even seen with this my eye. I don't even sit down follow people settle down before we could see. I joined the settle that matter. How much should they carry and come here and give you? Yes. It's very true, Aisha. How much should they carry and come make I give you? Long distance relationship, many things are involved. If you are not ready mentally to suffer, don't just open your two eyes and just jump inside. Except it happens by mistake. Or you are already in that relationship, it now happen after you come there inside, once travel, you know, the time you be waiting, you guys are not together. That is different. That's not what I'm talking about. There's a difference in these things. I'm talking about the people that will just call sometimes and say, I want a man who live in America. Or I want a man who live in UK. I want a man who, please, I'm tired of this man who are in Europe. I want to go and carry a man in Nigeria. I want a man who is living in Nigeria. I want a woman. All these women where they Europe now don't get what they use now do. Let me go and meet the woman who is in Nigeria. The woman you will marry and pay a bride price and leave her in that house and come to Europe, your €100. These days, €100 or $100 or £100 is nothing for those women that you think are that are in Nigeria or Africa that you are looking at. Your €100 is nothing for them. That's why they don't respect you after you give them that €100 or whatever amount you give to them. They don't respect you after that money. It's nothing to them. Although if they don't see that money, they'll be fighting you and choking you and giving you problems so that you will bring it. But to them, it's nothing. Because immediately they change it, they finish it instantly. Immediately they change it to Naira, they finish it instantly, green. And sometimes, after even giving them that money, they don't remember to tell you thank you. When that money finishes, that is when you will see their phone calls. You will only see their phone calls when that money finishes, or when they now see that the money is not going down in their purse. You can't remember, say, oh, where this money they come from? Oh, this money is coming from Sister Rita. Oh, let me quick call her, me and greet her. Finish. What else? Sometimes you are the one who give, you are the one who will even remind them to say, did you see the money I put in your account? Sometimes you don't even use that money finish. Before you can't remember to tell you, say, oh, I see, thank you. I say I'll call you. Because that money never finish. If you finish, he could call you. What is all those kind of yeah relationship? Now yeah relationship be all those one. Relationship will not get here. You know, waiting not get good evening, Sister Yori, how are you? Person will not get bag. It better pass person will get bag we who day. Or person will get pocket we get who. Who not just get pocket at all. It better pass person will get pocket we who day. That's what this some distance relationship is like. Many distance relationship, people are living without trust. Although they are inside, but they are living without trust. Trust me. Even the people who are living together, see me, I see you, they are still living without trust. You can't trust them. You can't trust. Not to talk of a person that you are not even seeing. Not to talk of a person that you not even seeing. So I don't encourage it at all. I encourage the one we be saying, now don't they together, the thing can get us to be okay. One travel, the time of waiting, all right. That one I understand. No, but the one where you will just open your hand and your leg, you just jump inside. Because it's living in Europe or because it's living in Nigeria, because I need to go and bring in people where they around me, no be. Don't fall into all those kind of things. The world is taking another shape these days. People are opening eyes. People are seeing things. Don't believe what happened to Joseph will not happen to you. People, when they give that kind of mind to themselves to say, me, I'm a very different person. Now lie. Your own will even be worse than the other one. They don't care about you. Anybody that you are not giving your money on a routine already, the truth is I don't care about you, care about the money. No matter who the person is, forget it. It doesn't matter who the person is. Anybody with your money on the entire hand on a routine basis, every month, every 2 weeks, it's my duty, let me do it. They don't care. Even if it's not even your picking said where you live for Africa. That's the truth. The feelings will die. Only the financial feelings will be there. The feelings will die. Only the financial feelings will be there. But you just continue doing it because you are there. You are the person that is responsible for them. But it's not that the feeling is really there anymore. Nah, it's money. They keep monitoring you to make sure that you are okay.